day everyone, we are the Team Oragon, and in this video, we're going to apply what we have learned about learning theories that guide the teaching practice of educators like you. And I'm going to discuss how to apply the three primary laws of Thorndike's Connectionism while teaching a topic. And this topic is all about biological blueprint. So, let's begin! But before that, has any one of you here had a background knowledge about biological blueprint? If not, well, this video is for you. I hope you're mentally and emotionally ready to learn. For those who had already known what is biological blueprint, I hope you also watch this video till the end because after my discussion, there will be a short assessment that will test your knowledge about biological blueprint. What is biological blueprint? DNA is called the blueprint of life because it contains the instruction needed for an organism to grow, develop, survive, and reproduce. DNA does this by controlling protein synthesis. Proteins do most of the work in cells and are the basic unit of structure and function in the cell of organism. Again, DNA is often referred to as the blueprint of life. Why? Because it holds the instruction necessary for an organism to grow, develop, survive, and reproduce. It accomplishes this by directing the process of what we call protein synthesis. We all know that proteins is the basic units of structure and function within cells because they perform most of the essential tasks needed for an organism's life and function. Heredity is defined as a transmission of traits from parents to offspring. The traits are made up of specific information embedded within one's gene. Certainly, heredity is the process by which a specific information encoded in individuals' genes is passed by parents to their offspring, determining the traits and characteristics that an offspring will inherit from their parents. Genotype refers to the genetic constitution of living organisms. A genotype is the total sum of genes transferred from parents to offspring. Alternatively, a genotype can also be defined as a complete set of heritable genes that can be transferred to the offspring from its parents. So genotype refers to the entire collection of genes that an organism inherits from its parents, defining its genetic makeup. It's the set of heritable genes that can be passed from one generation to the next, shaping an individual's genetic traits. Phenotype refers to an individual's observable traits such as height, eye color, and blood type. So phenotype represents the outward, observable characteristic of an individual, like for example, their height, color, and blood type. In other words, it is what you can see and measure in an organism. So again, phenotype is what you can see and measure in an organism. And that's the end of my discussion. But before I end this, I prepare an assessment for you to answer. This will test your learning about my discussion. Comment down below in the comment section with your answers. And that's it. I hope you learned something today. The end. By the way, you did a great job. Thank you for listening.